W.R. Grace and Company was founded in 1854 in Peru by William Russell Grace, a specialty chemicals and materials company noted for experienced people, global reach, and strong customer relationships. Grace is one of the world's leading specialty chemicals and materials companies with employees located in more than 40 countries. W.R. Grace Philippines Incorporated was established in November 23, 1965 and initially sells locally manufactured and imported construction and flexible packaging materials located at Canlubang, Calamba, Laguna. There are three powerful reasons that our customers value what we do. Three big ideas that unite our diverse global team and define what working at Grace is about. We built our success together on talent, technology, and trust. What about talent? Talent is on which our customers will continue to depend. The talent to make our business stronger. The talent to continue to seek and welcome into our business. It takes talent to be one of the leaders in technology. It takes talent to work alongside many of the world's best companies to transform their production processes or improve the performance of their products. It takes talent to work together in a matrices organization with thousands of teammates around the world. Grace employees who have stayed in the company for more than 5 years have greatly increased their competence through years of experience at work and trainings, both technical and non-technical, that they had attended. Employees moved from different job functions in the company and now in the top key positions in sales, R&D, supply chain, production, product management, product stewardship, EH&S, and regional roles. Grace created regional R&D to accelerate innovation and better serve local customers. Technology that will deliver value to our customers, that will differentiate our products, that will enable us to grow. Technology is the heart of a successful specialty chemical and materials company. Technology differentiates our products and delivers value to our customers. Technology keeps us nimble and adapting to changes in the marketplace and the individual customers we serve. Grace Technology is distinguished within many industries, and our long history of innovation leadership continues. Holcim, Omnico, and CMI, three of the top 5 ready-mix concrete producers in Philippines, use Grace concrete admixtures, Mira, Adva, Daratard, and Daracem to improve concrete workability and strength development. Holcim, Lafarge, and Eagle Cement use Grace quality improvers, CBA, and ESE, grinding aids, TDA, and SEA to enhance their production capacity and quality of cement. Hard-to-open containers continue to frustrate consumers. Easy-to-open end has enabled us to offer a new level of convenience on larger can sizes, ideal for families, caterers, and even hotels. Consumers pull on the foil tab to open the metal package smoothly, easily, and safely. These benefits are crucial for improved package opening convenience. Trust. That is the bedrock of our relationships with our customers, with our communities, and among ourselves. Our commitment to making ourselves worthy of trust. At the foundation of every healthy relationship lies trust. It is something we earn by delivering on our commitments and being honest in our claims. Our long history, the lengthy tenure of so many Grace employees, customers that have been with us for decades, and our deep commitment to safety all point to the importance of trust in defining the people of Grace. W.R. Grace truly gained the trust of these customers. A long-term relationships with them is really a success and serves as proof that we are a trusted company. As successful members of the community, we have a responsibility to help those that are less fortunate and contribute to the common good. Giving back to the community gives you a pleasant feeling of connectedness and the satisfaction of at least trying to make the world a better place. We have gone through some hard times like everyone else, and perhaps our working together and trusting to each other enables us to achieve our goal. Grace story is a story of quality and commitment, with long-standing relationships and collaboration with customers, co-workers, partners, and communities. And it is a story of values, through which priorities such as safety and respect have become part of Grace DNA.